Looking for a quick meal that packs an absolute punch? Welcome back to PrivateGuy Eats Wild, where I take different types of venison and game meat and show you how to cook it in the simplest way possible. Today, I'm showing you how I made Kudu Mince Jaffles for a quick Sunday night meal. Now, if you've never run across one before, a jaffle is a closed, toasted sandwich with completely sealed edges. The name originally comes from the jaffle iron, a hinged cast iron tool designed to clamp over the bread, seal those edges shut tight over an open flame. But first, a big shout out to Aloes Meats for supplying the Kudu mince for this one. If you want to get your hands on this mince and many more types of wild game and venison, check out their website. They've also got amazing products and recipes as well. My goal here is simple, to prove that cooking wild game isn't tricky at all. And it packs flavors that are quite literally out of this world. So this is how I did it. First things first, I fried up some sliced carrots and onions in a bit of olive oil until they were nicely browned and smelling incredible. Next, I dropped in the star of the show, the Kudu mince. I cooked this down on a medium heat for approximately 20 minutes. Pro tip, feel free to add a tiny splash of water to the mix if you find it's getting a bit too dry. Now, to take it up another notch, I added in some of Aloes' own sauce to give it that extra layer of deep, savory flavor. Once the mince was cooked and smelling unreal, it was time to work some magic. I laid the first slice of bread inside the Jaffle Maker, then spooned a generous, hearty amount of that piping hot Kudu mince right into the center, topped it with a second slice of bread, and clamped that UFO shut. I kept the gas on a medium heat, placed the jaffle right over the flame, and turned it regularly to make sure it toasted evenly without burning to a crisp. After about 5 minutes of occasional turning, you pull it apart, and you've got what South Africans proudly call a jaffle. But not just any jaffle, a Kudu Mince Jaffle. Let me tell you about it right now. It was rich, deeply flavored, and honestly, way better than standard beef mince. And that's it for today. Thanks again for joining me here on PrivateGuy Eats Wild. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you've tried game mince over beef, and I'll see you on the next one.